Hello guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a clothes in Photoshop. And also we will dive deeper into making selection using a quick selection tool, applying clipping mask, changing blend mode, and adjusting underlying layer in layer style. So let's get started. So here in our document, I got here an image of this woman wearing a white plain dress. And that's not the only asset we're going to use, because I also have here an image of a flower pattern that we will make use to blend on her dress later on. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to click on the background layer and create a duplicate layer of that. So to do that, just right click on the background layer and press duplicate layer. And let's name this one as dress. And the next step we're going to do here is we're going to create a selection on this woman's dress. To do that, just click on the dress layer, and we will be using a quick selection tool for that. So let's go to the toolbar, and let's go to the 4 tool over here. This one is the quick selection tool. For the shortcut key, you just have to press on letter W. And then let's click and drag on the dress to create a selection. Alright, so there are parts here that are not yet selected. So I'm going to zoom this one in. Press W for the brush tool. Decrease the size by pressing open bracket key. And keep on adding some selection on those white areas. Okay, now let's zoom this one out first. Once we're done with our selection, selected on the dress layer, we're going to press Ctrl plus J to create its own layer. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other nerds like us. Going back, now we already created a selection layer of this woman's dress. Now we're going to the document and then add this flower pattern on our document. There you go. All right, now once it's already here, now let's adjust the size of this flower pattern fit for the dress. Okay, so just like this. All right, so this one covers up the dress. Once we're done, holding on this flower layer, right click on it, and then let's click on create clipping mask. And there you go. Now you can see that the flower pattern is already blended to the dress, but it doesn't seem well. So to make that look realistic, we're going to change the blend mode of this flower layer. Just click this one and then change it into multiply. All right, that looks realistic now. And after that, we're going to adjust the underlying layer. So to do that, right click on this layer here and then select blending mode. This layer style dialog box will come out. And for the blending option, let's go here, down here at the bottom. You can see it's written here, underlying layer. Now we're going to adjust this one. Okay, so as you can see, this one is a whole set. So we're going to just drag the half of that. So to do that, hold Alt, then click on the other half, and then put it on the bright area. Okay, so see? All right, actually there's a difference when I do that. Okay, so I'm gonna undo this one first. Okay, so hold Alt, and then click on the other half. So look at the changes on the dress. And that's better. All right, so once you're done, just select OK. And look how we changed this woman's dress. So I'm going to show you the before. I'm just going to hide this layer here. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to design a clothes in Photoshop. See you on the next videos.